What is up, you guys? Welcome back. Today we're going to approach CSGO investing from a totally different perspective. We're going to compare it to the stock market, and you're going to be amazed at how much higher returns CSGO investors get. Alright, sit back, relax, and smash the like button because every time you do that, it speeds up the release of my next video by 1 second. It is commonly known that in the stock market there is an average annual growth of about 10%, which is a very decent amount. Now, what if I told you that in CSGO, there are many items that have a 100% growth year after year? Okay, comparing the stock market and video game cosmetics is probably not very smart. I think the closest thing to CSGO skins that we have in real life are Pokemon cards. Yeah, those things. They have massive investment potential, and even people who are not fans of Pokemon are investing into them. I know that there are collectors with Pokemon card inventories valued at millions of dollars. Well, similarly in CSGO there are collectors with inventories worth more than the average person makes in a lifetime. If you don't understand what kind of video game cosmetics I'm talking about, let me explain. In Counter-Strike Global Offensive, people shoot weapons. This, for example, is an AK-47 from the game. It looks kind of boring, right? Why don't we add some colors onto it? To do that, you would need to go onto the community market and purchase that print for $3. Okay, great. Now, what if you want something more fancy? Yeah, like that. Well, that one will cost you $1,000. The prices are entirely dictated by players, and it depends a lot on how rare it is. These prints are called skins, and there is no way to produce them other than the ways that the company that owns the market has given us. So basically, these skins have become a sort of currency. A very important thing I want to show you is the amount of money that circulates on the CSGO market daily. I went onto the market and checked the top 10 most popular items. I added up the quantity sold in the last 24 hours and multiplied that by the average price. In total, there have been $325,000 worth of sales just for these 10 items in the past 24 hours. In CSGO, there are 16,000 different skins, so I wouldn't be surprised if the total amount of money circulating daily is in the tens of millions of dollars. I doubt that there is as much money flowing in the Pokemon market. Another parallel between CSGO skins and Pokemon cards is the way you obtain them. You either buy them from another player/investor or you open a card pack. In CSGO we call them cases, and usually opening one of these things will cost you $3. On the high end though, they will go as much as $4,000 per case. Opening the $3 ones can usually get you skins worth anywhere from 15 cents to $500. Of course, if you happen to get a super rare collectible item once a decade when the planets are aligned, that could be worth anywhere up to $200,000. But hoping for that is like hoping to win the lottery. Okay, I actually lied when I said there is two ways to obtain skins. There is one more significant way to obtain skins, and that is just by playing the game. Players can randomly get items twice a week, and those items are generally worth about 3 cents. But at very rare occasions they can be worth up to $20. And this is an important factor that drives players to this game, because you can basically make money playing the game if you're very lucky. Though whenever players get a skin in this way, they will only receive it from this set of skin collections. As I already mentioned, in CSGO there are a little over 16,000 skins, but not all of them can be obtained through opening cases or playing the game. Some of these skins are discontinued, meaning that you can no longer obtain them in those ways. There is still another method, but that one is almost insignificant. It's called trade-up contracts. If you want, you can look it up. I'm not gonna go into detail explaining it because it will just take a long time if you don't already know about them. Plus, they are not as significant as the other ways. Alright, those discontinued CSGO skins are the ones that have that sweet 100% yearly growth. Here are the collections that are discontinued. You can find the link to this page in the description. Although, not all of these collections have what it takes to be a good investment. Usually they must have one shiny skin that is super rare. That's the criteria. Alright, here are the ones worth your money, and I'm going to also show a graph for one of the items in each of these collections. We got Assault Collection, Baggage Collection, Canals Collection, Chop Shop Collection, the legendary Cobblestone Collection, Dust Collection, Gods and Monsters Collection, North Collection, the Rising Sun Collection, Saint Mark Collection, Bank Collection, which is actually not discontinued and players can still get items from it, but it kind of is a special collection, as it is very convenient to use in trade-up contracts. That has made the price grow more than 200% in the last year. I would say this would be a medium risk, high reward kind of investment. Also the newer collections, which haven't been in the game for that long but are very in demand already, and they are soon to be discontinued. That's the Havoc Collection, Ancient Collection, and Control Collection. One of my favorite, which is different from the collections above, is the Operation Hydro Collection. This one can still be obtained through opening cases, but the problem is these cases will set you back $10 if you want to open one, and there are not many of them on the market, just barely 600 of them. Compare that to 400,000 Operation Broken Fang cases currently available. Honestly, even the case itself is a good investment, as you can see by the graph. Alright, that was a big list of items that you can consider for your investment portfolio. Still, even though I can give you some good tips, I most certainly do not know everything, so you should do your own research, check out the price history and so on, because I'm just some random YouTube boy, I'm not your financial advisor. The items I presented so far are just the tip of the iceberg. There is a ton of other things you can invest in and get more than 100% yearly growth, but those ones involve a lot more risk. Think of these collections as an index fund. They are something very reliable that has a stable growth. Other investments though can be seen as picking individual stocks. There is possibility for high rewards and there is also high risks involved. An important thing that I should mention is the fact that on the Steam market you have to pay a 15% fee whenever you sell, which is a lot. But there is an alternative, it's called trading. It's a function that allows players to exchange one skin for another without any fee. Therefore, people have created third-party marketplaces where you are able to list your skins for sale for website money, which people purchase with real money. On Steam, you are not able to list something for sale higher than $2,000. Because of that, people resort to using third-party websites to sell items which are worth more than that. You also can't have more than $2,000 as money in your Steam account. There's a lot more factors that you need to consider if you want to start investing in the CSGO market, like the fact that you shouldn't deposit money on Steam directly, but instead deposit to third-party websites and buy skins there. This way you will be able to get 30% more value for the money spent. For every $1,000 invested, you will get $1,300 worth of skins. Whenever you want to cash out, you will also do it through third-party websites, and in that process you will also lose 30% from the value of your skins, as you would expect. Actually, if you want, you can watch this video from a small YouTuber called Anomaly, where he explained in detail the best way to deposit. I'll leave the link in the description. One thing that you should keep in mind when using third-party websites is that you should only use trusted ones, because there are a lot of fake and scam websites looking to take your money and skins. The CSGO investing scene is bigger than ever currently, but it still has not reached people beyond video game enthusiasts. A thing I am trying to change with this video right here. So if you have enjoyed watching this video, I would really appreciate you smashing the like button to help spread this video and subscribe for future content. As a bonus, you should check out my current giveaway, which ends on May 1st. If you want to know how to participate, go watch this video. I will also link it in the description. Write your opinion on CSGO investing down in the comments and have a wonderful rest of the day. Bye bye.